Hi, hello, my name is J. Daniel Samson. My register number is URK20CS1038. In this video, I am going to explain about a software engineering lab experiment number 8. The experiment number 8 is an estimation of project size using function point for calculation. Aim is an estimation of project size using function point for calculation. Methodology. Here we have the following scenarios. Much relevant project data are available for the current projects, but not much information about previous project. Previous project data are available for the project, but not much information about the current project. Project data are available for the current projects as well as the of previous projects. Some of the projects data are available for the current project. No project data are available for both current as well as previous projects. Now this is the model, and then this is the model example for calculation, and then this is a function point analysis. Now I may show the calculation part. Here domain characteristic table for FP calculator. Here I am using domain characteristic table. Here I am here there are measurement parameter, count value, and weight factor. The number of user inputs, here I am giving user input as 16. Here I am giving weight factor as simple. The number of user outputs, here I am giving 2 user outputs, and I am giving as an weight factor as simple. Number of user inquiries, here I am giving 4 inquiries, and count, here I am giving 4 as an count, and then weight factor is average, and number of files 10 files, here I am giving simple, and number of external interface 10, here I am giving average. And then complexity adjustment table. Complexity adjustment questions for 0 means no influence, and 5 means essential. And then here I am going to give the here there is a value from 0 to 5. Here now the first question is, does the system require reliable backup and recovery? Here I am giving as an 1. And then are data communications required? Here I am giving 5. Are there distribution processing functions? Here I am giving 2. Is performance critical? Here I am giving 1. Will the system run in an existing heavily utilized operational environment? Here I am giving 1. And does the system require online data entry? Here I am giving as 2. Does the online data entry require the input transaction to be built over multiple screens or operations? Here I am giving the value 3. Are the master files updated online? Here I am giving 0. And are the input or output files or inquiries complex? Here I am giving 0. Is the internal processing complex? Here I am giving 2. Is the code to be designed reusable? Here I am giving 5. Are conversion and initialization included in the design? Here I am giving 0. Is the system designed for multiple initialization in different organization? Here I am giving 5. Is the application designed to facilitate change and easy of use by the user? Here I am giving the value 5. And finally I am giving the calculation. Once I give the calculation, it will show the project function points, the result of the project function point 205.64. and then next, COCOMO calculator. The COCOMO calculator, the purpose of this site is to help the end user making an estimation to the COCOMO model and verify the same. This is the COCOMO calculator. Here I am giving the enter estimated kilo lines of codes as 3750. Once I given the calculation, the for effort A star log B, and duration is equal to C star effort D, and staffing is equal to effort divided by duration. This is the formula used for calculation. Once I given the value and give the calculation, it is show variable A organic semi detect embedded, variable A 2.4, 3, 3.6, variable b 1.05, 1.12, 1.2, variable c 2.5, 2.5, 2.5, variable d 0.38, 0.35, 0.32, KLOC 3750, 3750, 3750, effort in person or month. Here this is the values which I given for that. Duration in months also here it is calculated and given, and staffing recommended to do that work is also here. All the details are being calculated and executed in this table. Here for function point analysis I am giving the domain characteristics table, a complexity adjustment table, and function point calculation. And then for COCOMO model, here I am giving the calculation value and then the calculated result for that. And then thank you for watching this video. Thank you so much.